Have you ever had this awesome idea for a YouTube video, but then you start thinking about all the work? The filming, the editing, the script, and it just feels like too much? Well, what if I told you there's a way to do it all, but like way faster?
Yep, you totally can. The secret weapon that a ton of creators are using right now is this new wave of AI video tools. They are a complete game changer.
So what even is an AI video tool? Honestly, just think of it like a little computer helper, or maybe even a magic assistant. You just give it some simple words, tell it what you want, and bam! It helps you create a brand new video or edit one you already have in just a fraction of the time.
Okay, so let's get into it. Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We're going to cover what these tools can actually do. We'll look at tools for making videos from scratch, tools for editing way faster, and even some little helpers for scripts and thumbnails. Then, at the end, we'll figure out how to pick the perfect one for you.
So, let's think of all these AI tools as your new creator toolkit. It's like you've got this box full of different helpers, and each one is perfect for a specific job that's going to make your life so much easier. So what's inside this toolkit? Well, first you've got your idea machines. These are the ones that can literally create a whole video from just one sentence. Then you have your robot editors. They can take a super long video and automatically chop it up into perfect little clips. And finally, you have your smart assistants that help with all the other stuff, like writing your script or designing a thumbnail that actually gets clicks.
All right, first up, let's look at those idea machines. These are the tools you turn to when you have a great concept in your head, but you have absolutely zero video footage to start with.
Two of the biggest players here are Runway and Google VO3. Think of Runway as like a digital art set for video. It's awesome for making really creative, artistic shots, and it gives you a ton of control. But then you have Google's VO3, which is more like a mini movie director. It makes videos that look incredibly real, and get this, it can even add its own sound effects and talking for you. How cool is that?
And I know what you're thinking. These must cost a fortune, right? But actually, getting started is surprisingly affordable. You don't need a Hollywood budget to start making incredible stuff.
Okay, but what if you already have your video footage filmed? Now we're talking about the robot editors. These are the tools that let the AI do all the boring, hard work of editing, but way faster.
The process with tools like Vizard or Descript is so simple. First, you just upload your long video. Maybe it's a podcast or a live stream. Then the AI acts like your own personal assistant. It watches the whole thing and automatically finds all the golden nuggets, all the best parts. And just like that, it spits out a bunch of ready-to-go short clips for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. It's amazing.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. One creator said they were surprised when Vizard turned over an hour of their footage into solid, shareable posts. I mean, can you imagine how much time that saves? It's incredible.
Now, making a great video isn't just about the video part, is it? So let's talk about the smart assistants that help with two other really important jobs: writing a killer script and making a thumbnail that people actually want to click on.
For your script, a tool like ChatGPT can be your ultimate brainstorming buddy. If you're ever feeling stuck, just give it a topic and it'll pop out a whole outline to get you going. And for thumbnails, you do not have to be a graphic designer anymore. Tools like Canva have these super easy templates and AI features that help you make something that looks totally professional in just a few minutes.
Okay, so we've looked at a lot of different helpers in our creator toolkit. Now for the most important part, which one should you actually use? Let's figure out how to find your perfect match.
The answer really just depends on what kind of creator you are. Are you trying to make something totally new from scratch, or are you just looking to edit your existing stuff way faster? Let's break it down with this simple little chart. So if you're an artsy creator and you want to make cool cinematic videos from just an idea, you should definitely try Runway. If you're a vlogger or a podcaster who wants to edit your talking videos much faster, check out Descript. And if you need to make really clean professional training or business videos that have an AI person presenting, Synthesia is absolutely perfect for that.
But here's the most crucial thing to remember. With all this power, it's really easy to just churn out a bunch of low-effort stuff. But AI is a tool, right? It's there to help your amazing ideas shine. The goal is to make great content that people actually love, not just to create generic AI slop. Use these tools to make yourself more creative, not to replace your creativity.
And that's a wrap on our tour of AI video tools. If this explainer helped you out, it would mean the world if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more simple guides just like this one.
And now, I want to hear from you.
After seeing all this, what kind of video do you want to make? And which one of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments below.